Hey y'all, this is Moises here from Wellness Health Group. Some of you may know me from the Wellness Nutrition Program, and I do get a lot of questions from my current patients, so I'm going to do this video to go ahead and help you guys understand what we need to do regarding keto coffee, drinks we might find, fats we want to include in our diet, because a lot of people are not getting enough fat, and they ask, oh, why am I not losing this weight? Fats are essential for this, okay? We're also going to focus on the sugars we want to stick to and what we want to look for in our ingredients when we look for, maybe want to extend our drinking, like what we could buy, and we'll focus on that, and I'll teach you what to do, what to look for. So let's say you got your coffee ready, usually people use creamers, half and half, loaded in sugars, loaded in carbs. It's going to affect you right off the day, added calories. You're never going to improve if your brain is registering those sugars at the beginning of your day. So if you're a coffee lover like myself, we're going to go ahead and stick to certain ways so we can still have that coffee delicious, I might add. And we're going to add essential oils that can make this coffee not only, brain food, but keto. So there's something here called MCT oil, coconut MCT oil. So coconut has specific properties, specific fats that go ahead and break down easier than other fats. So this is a really good way to go ahead and add those essential fats to this type of low ketogenic diet. Another one we could use is coconut oil. I always go ahead and promote coconut oil for the same reasons. It breaks down easier. It gives you those added fats that we need, that brain food. Really good stuff. Now, ghee butter. Ghee butter, I do go ahead and talk to my patients about this every chance I get. It does have some specific properties, some probiotics that go ahead and help our gut health. Gut health is really good. It's really important for you to go ahead and do a weight loss journey. So let's go ahead and add this whenever we can. A perfect way to add it is in our coffee. Now, my personal favorite, because I love the taste, is our heavy whipping cream. I like to get organic. The reason being it's zero carbs, zero sugars, and has those fats added so you can feel full throughout the day. Now, the sugars we want to stick to are, of course, stevia, leaf extract. You could, purchase any brand, whatever. Find them at Walmart, H-E-B, Costco, Sam's, or you could use it in liquid form as well. This is mostly like for teas, but either or, perfect. All right, let's make this coffee. All right, guys, so we got, our fresh hot pot of coffee. You could do iced coffee, doesn't matter. Now, we're going to get a little bit of our heavy whipping cream. So we're going to get a little bit of our heavy whipping cream. Now, this is actually really rich, so I honestly don't put a lot. Just like that, little pour. And honestly, this tastes really great. So, thank me later. We're going to get, I like using this one, the powdered version. So we got our stevia. I'm not really that much of a sweet, and honestly the taste from the heavy whipping cream is pretty big. So, doesn't have to be a lot of sugar. Mix that in. Really easy, really simple. Your coffee's ready. You already have that source of fat. It's gonna give you energy, brain food. You're gonna feel great, all right? Now, in future references, you will need to consult so that we could talk about the right ways if you're practicing fasting, what not to go ahead and do regarding coffees, regarding foods, regarding drinks. We could further talk about that. But for now, boom, really easy, really quick, and honestly, the best. Also available at, your local coffee shops. You could request heavy whipping cream, stevia. They all have that type of options. So on the go, also there, but cheers.